Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. So Chainlink followed my forecast from the last video. We were in the last video, I think just sort of moving here to the upside, yeah. And we said that ideally we're gonna make one more low here in the wave 5 because we had a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and ideally one more low was needed, which then also happened. And then we could now finally be in this wave 2 to the upside. That would be part of the bearish scenario. We're also gonna take a look at the bullish scenario, but basically the chart came into my support area, reversal area, reversed, and we're now moving up. And that was the forecast from the last video. And the question is now, is this gonna be a 5-wave move, which would be actually bullish and would confirm a possible bullish count? Or is this a bearish wave 2, a corrective move up, a relief rally, which would result in lower? So we're going to take a look at that. With regards to that latest low, which actually happened yesterday. That was it yesterday? I think it did happen yesterday. It wasn't really a lower low, more like a double bottom, which sometimes happens in a if the trend changes, a so-called truncated low. But this would, I could count this as a wave 5. I mean, on some exchanges it might have been lower. Here it was basically 2 cents higher, but it was one significant swing low. So we saw that, and unfortunately the markets don't always behave in a perfect way. But what is most important is that the higher degree scenario has worked out. We came into the support area, reversed. And this could now be the wave 2. Coming down in a wave 1, reversing in a wave 2. I will now be able to give you a target for this wave 2 as well, which is the area where we should reverse to the downside in an ideal way. So let's look at the support areas here, or resistance areas. So we're looking at the area between the 50% FIB retracement and the 78.6 retracement. It is the area between $7.13 and $7.51 where we should ideally reverse. So after this was a possible long trade area. For anybody who wants to trade it, I wouldn't trade it because it's most likely just a wave 2, so a corrective wave to the upside. But this is the area where again we should turn around to the downside. Ideally, we have a bullish count as well. However, I would only give the bullish count around 35% probability, which is not too high. In this bullish count, we would break out above the yellow support box, resistance box. And if we really get above 751, 752, a substantial breakout above that, it would be the first indication that something more bullish is going on. That would need to be confirmed by breaking above $7.80, then $9.63, and even more importantly, $11.70. So I'll keep you up to date about that and how likely it is that we are actually in a bullish count. At the moment, it's just doing what it's supposed to be doing in this bearish count, which is just a counter reaction, just a corrective action after that 5-wave move to the downside, which is quite bearish. So this is the area where I would expect it to go into. Now this should normally happen in 3 waves. What we've got here at the moment is possibly just an A wave. So ABC it should be. So this is probably just an A wave still. Now this could be finished or get one more high. Then we should come down in a B wave and move up in a C wave. So it would work out nicely. So if you suddenly see quite a strong move down and we haven't reached the resistance area, it's most likely just a B wave, which would then be followed by a C wave. We don't have enough price information yet, so I keep you updated in the next videos. But this looks like it could be a 1. No, it can't be. And again, well, it depends now where we say this wave 5 actually finished, right? So it's a bit tricky here. We could say this was a 1, 2, this a 3, then a 4 and a 5. Or we find here a small 1, 2 setup, 3, 4. I think I'm going to go with that. That we had here a small 1, 2, 3. This may be a 4 in a diagonal and a 5 up. Or alternatively, we have a flat pattern here. So wave A is already in with a 3-wave move. We're coming down now in B, that this was a 1, this was an A wave, now a B and a C wave in B, and we would move up in C. But again, this is just really micro counting. Don't want to get too confused about that. I think the support and resistance areas are most relevant here at the moment. And then we should move down in a third wave, which I can't really define for you yet. I think we're looking at something around 450 or so for that area. And it would be the third wave of the third. Yeah, and then there should still be a fourth and a fifth of the third, then a fourth and a fifth. So this is how ideally this move down should work out. I cannot rule out a bullish count. However, with this 5-wave move down, this bullish count got less likely. The bullish count would have also reversed in the support area. This is why I made you aware in the last few videos that either, you know, each scenario I would expect the price to get into this and reverse. It's just that in the bullish count, we've done here a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we are now in the 3 up, wave 3, and should break through that yellow resistance area. Target for the third wave to the upside, if anybody wants to know that, would be around $10.11. So it should actually be here, the 1.618 extension. Yeah, and that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.